I'm already eating something delicious that Fran Schaffer made. Good morning, Fran.
Good morning.
Good morning. Merry Christmas, Fran.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I got my Christmas
sweater.
sweater.
Yes.
This is to
season.
grandmother's house, see?
Yes.
This
with all
lid.
is
Yeah.
everyone coming to Grandma's house this year? Good.
Yeah. So I had to wear it. It's
Oh,
supposed
good.
to be ugly, but I think it's beautiful.
It's because it has meaning and memories
Yes,
to
it does.
Yep. So
And
what
then-
are we learning to make
Yeah, what are we
today?
learning?
Well, I had a Christmas party, and everybody thought I was going to make pie for them. And I said, no, I'm going to make eggnog, cider, coffee, and tea, and decaf. And everybody had to bring their own favorite holiday treat. So I felt guilty. And so I made these little tarts.
Just, I mean, who
Little
just
tarts.
makes tarts out of?
And
Fran
I
does.
just thought, well, this will be cute, and then they'll have their pie,
Yes.
and then I'll be, safe.
There you go.
And what you do is first you cut out these little discs like this.
We just did them with a little.
Yeah.
Is
And
that a
you-
biscuit maker?
Well, no, it's a cookie cutter.
It's a cricket. Okay.
And then you just press them in here.
Oh, that's easy enough
Yeah.
to do.
You press them in here, get them in here, and just kind of.
And the recipe for the dough is just a typical.
It's the same recipe I had last month.
Okay.
It's just pastry, your pastry dough with lard.
Okay.
And then to cover it, you use the stars.
Oh.
See? So you make little stars.
I bet you have a ton of cookie cutters stacked
I
away
do.
at home,
I
don't
do.
you? I'm sure most.
And so what we are making is raspberry and chocolate.
Nice.
Carol's
Tarts,
going to
yes.
make chocolate, so we're going to start
Okay.
with her.
Alrighty.
You have to have a cup of sugar,
Just 1 cup. I'll pour it in
Okay.
here. Okay.
third a cup of cornstarch,
That would
That's
be
right.
this.
fourth a
I-
cup of cocoa,
1/4 a cup of cocoa.
dash of salt.
Dash. Oh, are you trusting me with a dash?
Yeah, that's a dash.
That's a dash.
Now you mix that all together. And you
Oh,
want to
okay.
mix that all together really, really good before you pour in 2 cups of milk,
Oh, okay. Because why?
because it'll get lumpy.
Oh, okay.
You don't wanna
Is that
be
why when you make like cookies, they always say, mix all your dry ingredients
Mm-hmm.
first and then add? My husband did them all together the other day, and they didn't
Yeah.
turn out very well.
Now you have to, here's 2 cups of milk. Now just gradually pour that in. So
Okay. Stir while
yeah.
I'm pouring.
Incorporate.
And whole milk, 2% milk, does it matter?
no,
Okay.
if you want to, and then just leave just a little bit of
Okay.
milk. Yeah,
Okay.
because we've got to temper our egg. No.
Oh, no. Okay.
Now,
oh,
now we put this in the
you're
microwave.
scaring
Carol's
me,
getting so
Fran.
excited.
I
Look
know.
at her.
I'm like feeling like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. So now what do I do?
Now you have to put it in the microwave for
Okay,
3.5 minutes.
Okay, for 3.5 minutes.
Okay,
How long? 3.5?
3.5.
3.5.
Okay.
Please.
I gotcha.
Okay.
Okay, over here on Ronnie's side,
Raspberry lady over there.
raspberry leaf. First of all, the most important thing is to steep some raspberries in 2 cups of water.
Okay.
So you have a red water.
Okay.
Okay. If you put regular water in there, your filling will look pink and your raspberries look red, and you don't want that.
Okay. This almost looks like a Jello consistency.
Well, no, it is. It's all in the microwave. Now I did that because this had to go for 5 minutes.
Okay.
So I thought we can't do that for 5 minutes in hers. So then we put in frozen raspberries.
Okay.
This had to cool just a little bit, and that's why I made it first.
And that's 2 cups of water and a 1/2 cup of raspberries. And then we add more
No,
raspberries.
you have sugar in here.
Okay.
You have 2 cups of. You have a cup of
love
sugar, a
raspberries.
pinch of
Pinch of
salt.
Salt.
Which is a little smaller than a dash.
There. And cornstarch, third cup
Okay.
cornstarch. You mix that, and then you microwave it for 5 minutes. Now
Okay.
this is done.
Oh, the
That's all there is
cornstarch
to it?
already in there?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
already in here. So
Oh,
this
okay.
is done. See how easy that is?
That was
Good
easy.
job.
And it wasn't very hard for you to do.
No, I barely broke a sweat. I just sit back and watch. This looks like me as a kid.
Yes.
This is me
Okay,
as a
now
kid.
in here,
Yes.
you're going to put these eggs in there,
Oh,
and you're
okay.
going to temper those, and just mix them up. It can be cold water. It doesn't have to be hot.
Mix them up now? Mix
Yeah,
them up?
right here.
Oh, with that, okay. Okay.
Yep.
And was that egg yolks and everything, or just
That's 4 egg yolks.
4 egg yolks?
And then when you're, we'll put that in and we'll put it back in for 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
4
So-
egg yolks and a little bit of milk. Okay.
Let's take a quick break and finish these up with Fran when we come back. Stay with us, friends.
Hey, top of the morning to you, Lisa. You smoothie, me ice cold pizza, cafe ole, latte da. You do the Zumba, but I do not. Give me like half a marathon.
Alrighty, welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We're in the kitchen with Fran and Carol. We're learning how to
we
make
are.
tarts, mini tarts. And
Raspberry and chocolate.
so how long did you bake? How long did you bake this then?
Well, you bake this about 10 minutes.
Okay.
That's about all it takes.
So the recipe we'll make 12 tarts.
Oh, no, I'll make a lot.
Okay, so
I'll make a lot.
all right.
No, I
Oh,
I
did
already
you put that on again?
Yep.
Oh, sorry. I thought maybe we were burning it.
No.
Sorry.
She's used to me being in the kitchen. That's why
Like,
she
that's been a
checked.
long 3.5 minutes.
Yeah.
No, I put it on for another 3. I
Oh,
put
okay.
your eggs in.
My eggs. Oh, you did put them in.
I did.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
Mhm.
Fran.
Yeah, and then
Good.
because, you know, we don't have a lot of time.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now this is how you make the tarts. So you take a spoonful of filling and you put it in there like that.
Little raspberries, and then
Then you make these little stars. There.
oh, perfect.
Okay, I'm
Look
gonna
how
try to
pretty
make
those
one.
are.
I'm gonna
I'm gonna
be productive. Okay,
You
so
be productive.
Wow, there we go.
And
you
then
just-
with the
yes.
chocolate ones, you have little chocolate meringues. Now this is how you make the little meringue, if this works. You know, I've done this so many times and I've failed.
I'm sure it'll work.
See?
Oh, perfect.
You just do that
And then you bake those in the oven for how long?
about 10 minutes.
Oh, that's it. And you got your little,
You got your little
meringue.
meringues there.
there you go. That is easy. And then you're going to put that on top of the chocolate.
Yeah, and then
Very perfect.
you do that on top of the chocolate.
And then little stars you just made from some of the leftover dough that you had. from
Leftover
the-
dough.
Yeah.
And everybody thought that this was just so pretty.
They are
And
pretty.
everybody was so excited to have a little piece of pie. You know, we always have cookies. So this is just something new and different that you can make, and it's fun.
yeah.
And they're
it's fun.
beautiful. They really are.
And
Look
it
how they
costs
turned out.
nothing. It costs probably, the raspberries probably are our biggest expense.
And sometimes during the holidays, you eat so many sweets, just a little bite would probably do just like I'm going to town.
And what are we
Yeah.
going to add this butter to? So we still have, what, a teaspoon of butter. We're going to add that to the chocolate
Yeah.
when it's done?
We're praying that the chocolate's done.
Yes, it's almost done. Now, what Ronnie's doing now, do we need to put that back in the oven?
No,
That's already done
It's
and
already
ready to
done.
go?
We we can just fill these right up here.
Perfect. Oh, okay.
Just put them right
our
on the plate.
Okay.
Oh, I'm.
See,
Look how nice that looks.
How fun is
Yeah,
that?
And how
then-
easy that was.
and then it's just you know, I'm trying not to get my.
Okay.
Okay, Carol.
We're ready.
Okay, Carol.
Ready to get this going, right?
Yep,
You know, ooh, okay.
it's ready.
Wow, so do I
So-
dump my butter in here
And
yet?
right in there. Put it in.
How much is this, just a tablespoon of butter?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons butter.
See how easy this is to make pudding?
I know
This
it.
is homemade pudding. This is all natural. There's no artificial in this.
Here, I'll keep
So
stirring
then you
here.
get your spoon. Do you have your spoon?
I do
you
have,
your
my spoon.
Carol?
Yes,
Okay.
I
You can
do.
take that over. She can.
Oh, this
And-
might,
Look at you.
that looks homemade pudding. That was easy, Fran.
Yeah.
That was like,
You know, when you can do this in 15 minutes,
you know it's easy, right?
you know it's easy. Yeah.
And it makes quite a little bit too.
So just
Yes.
put that on there. And then you put a little,
Yeah.
let's take them out of there
Okay.
so that I don't have to dirty my fingers.
So how much did you say the total of this was to make? Because it was all homemade.
Well,
and easy.
raspberries cost about $3 a bag.
And that was a full
frozen,
bag of
you want-
frozen. that
You want
made?
frozen
Okay.
raspberries. You don't want.
But
you want to keep them frozen because when you put them in that hot sauce, they'll stay whole. But if
Okay.
you put them in you know, if you let them thaw out,
Right.
then they'll mix into the pudding.
And you have
know.
enough mixture probably for about, I'm going to say 4 dozen.
Oh,
5 dozen?
I have
8 dozen.
6 of these
Oh, wow.
muffin tins.
Look at how
And-
easy that is.
Yeah. See?
So you're ready for company for the holidays.
Oh, we're having a lot of Christmas parties. Yeah.
Well,
Very
there you
nice.
go.
Yeah, we got the
Oh,
house all
perfect.
decorated.
Oh, and it's
About
beautiful as
5
always, I'm
about
sure.
5 trees.
Wow,
Nice.
that is so
there.
fun.
That was
Very
easy.
good.
Yeah.
Carol and
Thank
I
you,
could
Fran.
even do it.
Yeah, Carol, and you can do it. And that's amazing.
She has such good trust in us. It's amazing.
Simply amazing.
Yeah, no, you're amazing.
Oh.
We just go along with
see.
it. But thank you, Fran.
Thank
and
you,
Merry
Fran.
Christmas
Merry
to you
Christmas to
and
you.
your family.
Yeah,
Okay.
yep.
Give your family hugs from
Yep,
us, and we'll be
yep.
back in just a moment, friends. Stay
And
with
then you
us.
can eat this pudding. You can, you know, just